Homage to the Triple Game, the ultimate ritual of Buddhism. Blessings to the congregation of faithful lay people. Loving kindness to all novice monks. This day I saw deliver a discourse on a Dharma. Subject name. Topic: The early life of Siddhartha Gautama. The first part of the Buddha's life. Story. Introduction. The foundational narrative of Buddhism begins with the birth and early life of Siddhartha Gautama, a prince destined for eternal greatness or spiritual awe. Awakening this period lays the groundwork for his eventual renunciation and the profound teachings he would later impart. This introduction will explore the key events and their significance in shaping the Buddha's path. Body paragraphs. Miraculous birth in Lumpini, Queen Maya's journey, the salt tree, and the prince's symbolic 7 steps. The prophecies surrounding his birth foretelling a king or a sage. Shelter loyal life. King Siddhartha intends to save Siddhartha from suffering. His luxurious upbringing, education, and marriage to Yasodhara. The birth of his son Rahula. The seeds of discontent. Despite the luxury, a growing feeling of unease within the prince. The inherent limitations of a life devoted to only worldly pleasures. Explanation. The miraculous elements of the birth emphasize Siddhartha's extraordinary potential. The sheltered life highlights the contrast between worldly pleasure and the inevitable reality of suffering. The prophecies give context to the inner conflict that will later drive the prince to seek enlightenment. The growing discontent shows the beginning of the search for the end of suffering. Verification. Traditional Buddhist texts, such as the Pali Canon, provide detailed accounts of Siddhartha's birth and early life. Archaeological findings in Lumpini confirm the historical significance of the location. The consistency of the narrative across different Buddhist traditions strengthens its credibility, while the miraculous elements are matters of faith. The core narrative of the prince seeking deeper meaning is widely accepted. Analysis. The narrative establishes the tension between worldly desires and spiritual aspirations. King Siddhartha's attempts to control Siddhartha's destiny ultimately proved futile, highlighting the inevitability of suffering. The story serves as a powerful metaphor for the human condition, where even in the midst of abundance, dissatisfaction can arise. The contrast of extreme wealth and the eventual renunciation of that wealth is a powerful teaching tool. Conclusion. The first part of the Buddha's life story sets the stage for his transformative journey. it introduced the key tips of suffering, impermanence, and the search for liberation, while some aspects of the narrative are stated in religion. The core message of a perceivably individual seeking deeper meaning richness across cultures and time. This early period demonstrates the beginnings of the path that would lead to the foundation of Buddhism. This is the Buddha topic entitled, considering that the time is now fitting. I conclude at this point. Thank you.